Okay, just reviewing the crude trade I'm in on CL right here. Short 2 contracts at pivot for the classic. It's been a nightmare of a trade. Difficult to know if it's going to hold up and stay on side. It just feels like there's less interest to sell it anymore. Either that, or people loading up to get short. We had 12,000 contracts trade on the last leg up. It was a 22 tick move to the upside. We absorbed everything here, the full 12,500 ticks contracts. Sorry. Now we're pulling back below pivot and sort of fluctuating around this area. It looks like this on the 5-minute chart. It seemed like a solid pullback and a good classic opportunity to get short. I'm sticking with my bias for now, but it's been a bit of a difficult trade to sit through, really, to be honest. I've been sitting through this for about an hour now. And no one's selling the market. They're absorbing, taking the contracts. It seems to be more buyers buying up. Bids are beefing up, driving the market higher. 12,000 contracts trade into the offer. He'd literally sweep the market. Now we're retracing back, so just a difficult one. Overall momentum and sentiments towards the downside. It's been selling off all morning. We broke pivot with classics, so I've got to stick with the trade idea really. I've got a contract at 44, another contract near the low. If we can get down here, that would be perfect. We need this market to sell off now. There seems a bit more sell interest there. I'm looking for a short on sterling cable, but waiting for some comments from the BOE member, voting member committee, which is coming out at 11, so in 30 minutes. Come on, give us a test of 44.13, 44.10. It's held up as good resistance. Sorry, support, mind you. This was a tough trade to sit through. Come on, hit my target. Come on, trade it. I'm not going to be a tick or I'll take that profit right there. Thank you very much. Crude's been good to me. Today. We'll see the action. I'm going to move this to S1. See if we can capture some more of that move and trail my stop. We're looking for it to break. We need it to break 44.10 and 44.
Okay, just keeping an eye on cable. Pretty quick turnaround back up towards the best levels of the day. So having another look up at 129.47, where was that high point initially over the release of, I guess that would have been the non-farm volatility that we had on Friday when we saw some fluctuations in the dollar. That was the initial candlestick high, was at this level at 129.47. Elsewhere, oil just remaining as well a little heavy, coming back down toward the lower end of the intraday lows, so 44.09. Yeah, so with cable now through that level, you can see just a bit of an extension of the move. Again, hasn't been anything new fundamentally. Those speakers, broadband's not due till later. Haldane, nothing.
Okay, you can see my execution at pivot here. I got short two, took one off very quickly, too quickly on this case. Held one on, came up to pivot, went against me quite a way. Then entered in with 3, 1, 2, still got one on. Gonna let this contract run. Yeah, just looking at the traders, got to look at my expectations. Unlikely we're going to hit that S1 level. Going to leave one on for the handle. at 44 evens. Come on, we need to push the handle. Maybe extremity of this volume profile here, which is the current range. It's just finding nice support here around 44.10. It's having trouble to get through 44.10. Real trouble. Move my stop a little lower. Just make sure I lock in a bit of profit. Yeah, good job I didn't take that shorter in sterling this morning at R1. The mistress has been devious. It's been very devious. That's it. Come on, sell it. Take it through 10s and 09s. That would be amazing. If we crack through 09s and 10s, I'm pretty sure we'll get the touch on 44. If I had one more contract on, I would have left one on for S1. We need to take out 10s, come on. Come on. Trade 09s and 08s. Come on, that's it. Yes. Yes. Fantastic. Oof. Okay, I got out of there. 42 ticks this morning. 42 ticks. Extremely happy. Extremely happy. Okay, that's the crew trade done. I'm flat. Might be looking for a long off S1. I'll record again once we go live. But that trade I sat in for almost a good hour and a half. Very happy with that trade. Okay, catch up soon.